Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best ultralight sleeping bags for serious campers and backpackers. The Coleman North Rim 0 degrees Fahrenheit Big and Tall Sleeping Bag. If you're heading into the cold and need warmth without the bulk, this mummy-style sleeping bag is a game-changer. Let's explore why. Let's kick things off with what makes this bag stand out. It's specifically designed to handle temperatures as low as 0 degrees Fahrenheit. That's right, freezing temperatures are no match for the insulation packed into this thing. Whether you're hiking through snowy trails or camping in high-altitude forests, the North Rim's heat retention will keep you safe and warm throughout the night. This sleeping bag isn't just warm, it's smartly designed for comfort and efficiency. The mummy shape hugs your body to reduce cold spots and trap heat efficiently. It also features an adjustable hood, so you can cinch it tightly around your head on colder nights, or loosen it for more ventilation when needed. It's all about finding that sweet spot between warmth and breathability. Now let's talk size. This is a big and tall model, built for campers up to 6 feet 2 inches tall. If you've ever felt cramped in a sleeping bag before, this one is a breath of fresh air. You've got room to move while still getting the snug fit needed to stay insulated. One of Coleman's best innovations is the Thermalock draft tube. It runs along the zipper to prevent heat loss, a common problem in lesser bags. It's a small feature, but it makes a huge difference in maintaining consistent warmth all night long. Combined with Coletherm hollow polyester insulation, it gives you better heat retention with less weight, making this bag ideal for backpacking without sacrificing performance. Setting up and packing out are seamless, too. Thanks to the no-snag zipper, you won't be struggling in the dark or with cold hands when it's time to close up or break camp. While it excels in the cold, the adjustable hood and smart ventilation design mean it's versatile enough to use even when the temps aren't freezing. Now, durability. This bag is made with tough polyester material, built to take on rough ground, damp conditions, and repeated packing and unpacking. It's an investment that's built to last through many adventures. Let's talk value for a moment. For a sleeping bag that offers this level of cold weather performance, insulation tech, and size comfort, it's priced competitively, often coming in under similar premium models. And considering it's PFAS-free, it's also a safer choice for the environmentally conscious camper. If you're a tall camper or someone planning to hit the outdoors in colder months, this is a solid choice. Whether you're a casual weekend adventurer or heading on an extended trek, the Coleman North Rim packs everything you need: comfort, warmth, durability, and reliability, into one streamlined package. That wraps up today's review of the Coleman North Rim 0 degrees Fahrenheit Big and Tall Sleeping Bag. Arguably one of the best ultralight compact mummy sleeping bags you can get right now. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique, and drop a comment below with your favorite cold weather camping gear. Until next time, stay warm and keep exploring.